In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to quickly replace or change out the tow hitch plug or trailer hitch plug on your Ford F250 or F350. The plug on this vehicle does not work. Well, one side of it works, the 4-pin connector. We're going to install back a 4-pin and 7-pin connector. That's what comes on these trucks. It fell out the bracket because the bracket rusted out and the wires are just chewed up. I bought the truck like this. This is strictly my plow truck, guys. I only use it for plowing, but I want to have the option in the event I have to pull something, a trailer or something. So it's time for me to fix that. The plug, you buy the whole assembly. It's just a plug and play setup. And let me show you guys how to quickly replace it. So here's the rusted out bracket or brace that the plug comes into. And it kind of fell off. It was held on by 2 screws. So they broke off inside the bumper. We're going to fix all that and replace it. Fortunately, the new plug comes inside of a bracket or this same bracket brace setup, so just gotta mount it. You may need a small screwdriver to press down here. I've already this thing is shot. Look at this. This side did function. This barely functioned. All right, let's go show you guys the new plug. All right, here's the new plug. They're inexpensive. Already in the bracket. So we got to find a mounting point because the old plug still has some of the sections broken off up there. I can't cut it off with the angle grinder or something, but it's not bothering me. We'll see. Let's see where can I mount this thing. These 2 plugs are identical. Alright, so here's the spot that it should go at. You can see the tab goes into that hole where it pivots, but the old section of the bolt that holds the old bracket in place is still up there, so I may just cut that out. So I may just get my angle grinder, cut that out. I had to heat that broken bolt up to remove it, otherwise it wasn't budging. So yeah, I heated it up. You can see the smoke coming from it. Although the plug is mounted here firmly and in place, I didn't like the exposed metal from that flap disc, so I'm going to remove it and use some rust reformer there. Got it hooked up. Hooked up. Route this over here. Trying to one hand this, like so. There's one hand. All right, we locked in. We all good. All right, we can test it now. All right, got some magnetic lights I'm gonna test it with. Just got it plugged in there. Let's see what we got. Just turn the hazards on. We don't need to test that on the brakes. There we go. Back on. Yeah, it's a wrap, guys. Hope you found this video helpful. Hit the like button for me. Thank you so much for watching. Terrence, I'm out.